Do you want to start a business? You don't know what to sell? You can't find a supplier with low pricing? You need high quality product? Don't want to manage inventory or hold any stocks? If you have answered yes to any of the questions, then stick around to the end. This video answers all of the burning questions that you have. Hey guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. Please consider subscribing below and turn the post notification bell on. And if you're a returning subscriber, you know the vibes, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't hesitate to leave a comment below and don't forget to share with your friends as well. When I started my e-commerce business, one of my biggest struggles was not about getting sales. It was about finding the right supplier that would sell products to me at a very discounted price. I know a lot of businesses face this challenge as I have been there myself. These days, with the advancement of technology, there are website tools that you can use to scrape the web to find the best suppliers for your product. In today's video, I will be talking about Spocket. Spocket is the ultimate platform for dropshippers and online retailers. If you are not familiar about Spocket, I am here to tell you all about it. It is a website that connects you with thousands of suppliers that are ready to dropship their products directly to your customers. This means that you don't have to worry about inventory, warehousing, fulfillment, or even shipping the product. It is a game changer for anyone who is willing to start a business or take their existing business to the next level. One of the incredible features about Spocket is its user-friendly interface. It is incredibly easy to sign up, navigate the website, and find products that fit your store niche. Plus, the platform is seamlessly designed to integrate with e-commerce platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce. Once you click the link I have in the description box below, or you type the link I have on screen right now, it will take you to the website where you can get 14 days free trial with my link. So once you click on the link that I leave in the description and you open the website, you sign up, then you can log into your Spocket account. This is the first screen. This is what it looks like. On the left side of the screen, you can see where it says find products. You can also find US and EU products from here. You can find top selling EU products. You can filter by location, supplier, different category of item cost. You can filter by any of these options here to make sure you are limiting your selection. Under winning products, you can easily select winning products curated by Spocket. See what is best selling and trending in the click of one button. Once you find a product that you like, you can click on add to import list. In the AliExpress tab, you can install the AliScraper Google Chrome extension. This will be added to your Chrome extension and you can go to AliExpress from here. This would help you find products from best-selling AliExpress suppliers at very discounted price. Spocket also offers a range of powerful tools and features that allows you manage your business more efficiently and easily. For example, you can set up automated order fulfillment, which means once the customer places an order on your website, you do not have to take any action, as Spocket will fulfill the order for you and ship directly to the customer. We all know it's almost summer and a lot of people out there will be looking to get their summer body back in check. So most people will be signing up to go back to the gym and they would need a very nice or fancy gym wear. So today let's check out how we can find, let's say you want to start a business or you have an online business and you want to sell gym sets or gym outfits. Let me show you how you can use Spocket to find gym sets and find them at affordable prices, then list them on your online store. So what I like to start off to do is to open Amazon. Then I find gym sets from here. This would help you see the current pricing of most gym outfits. So as you can see here, the average price looks like it's around $35. So now I'll go back to my Spocket account and make sure that I search for gym set here. You can use the US or EU product tab to find gym set, but then you know the pricing that you might be finding might not be as competitive as the one you find from AliExpress. So now you can search for gym sets from AliExpress scraper. As you can see, there are affordable prices. The price that we saw on Amazon was saying $35 would be the selling price, and here we are able to find some for even $15. This is a 4-piece set for $10. I can select any one of those, so let's choose this one. So as you can see, this is one of those gym sets here. So once you find a product that you like and you have decided to list it on your store, just click on the button import to Spocket right here. So once you import to Spocket, this product will now be pushed to your Spocket account and you can find it in your import list. Once you import to your Spocket list, you find the products here. You can decide to make some name changes or add tags. You can also choose a new category or leave the category as is if you prefer. Add a product description if you so choose. If there are different variants, you can add different variants and change the pricing. So as an estimate now, this is the price that is listed on AliExpress, and this is the potential price that you can choose to sell this item at, and you will be making this profit here. As you can see, this is a very good profit considering that you are going to be able to sell even more units. So these are the estimated price. You can also decide to adjust pricing if you so prefer. These are the list of images that would be pushed to your store. If you also choose, you can modify them as you prefer. For me, I just like to leave them as is. I might just make some name changes to the product and push to store. When it comes to sourcing for product or pricing your product, your top priority should be the price that you are able to find that product as a business owner. You want to make sure that you have calculated an estimate of what your profit would look like before deciding on what product to sell. With Spocket, you can see at first glance the retail price and the listing price of any product you have decided to sell. This would help you see and estimate how much profit you'll be making if you decide to sell that product. Let's look at any products from the US or EU product list. This is an example of a high quality cutlery set. You can see the listing price for $36.73, and you can also see the retail price here for $72.30. This is a very high quality product. As you can see, it's listed here as premium, and if you decide that you want to list this product, you can order samples directly from here. This would help you purchase one sample that you can use to access the quality of this product and decide if you want to sell it. You can see the shipping time and the details here. If you decide to sell this product on your online store, you can make that decision based on all the information that you have here. Once you have signed up and you're ready to connect your store to your Spocket account, you can just click on your store. Here you can see all the list of e-commerce platforms that you can connect Spocket to. Once you have an account already, let's say for instance Shopify, you can paste your Shopify store URL here and just easily click on connect. Spocket also allows you to easily connect with over 10 plus e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, Wix, and a lot more. Instead of manually adding products to your store, you can import products in bulk using Spocket. It is trusted by over 130,000 entrepreneurs and business owners. Spocket is one of the highest used and reviewed dropshipping app on Shopify store. It is currently rated at 4.7 stars on Trustpilot. So there you have it. Spocket is one of the most incredible platforms for online retailers and dropshippers. It is great for anyone who wants to start or grow an e-commerce business. With a massive selection of products, reliable suppliers, and powerful features, you will be able to take your business to the next level. If you are interested in trying out Spocket, you can sign up using the link in the description or the link on screen to get 14 days free trial. Then if you like it, you can decide to subscribe or purchase a plan. I highly recommend giving it a try. It has helped thousands of online businesses, and I know you would not be disappointed. Thanks for watching this video. If you find it useful, please give it a thumbs up. Don't hesitate to share with your friends and loved ones or any business owner or entrepreneurs that you believe would find this video useful, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.